Hi. So today I'm going to speak about how to create a OneNote link for an assessment or an assignment on MS Teams. I hope this video helps you. So we move ahead. So when you are creating a link on the OneNote on MS Teams, go to OneNote Notebook, and then you can go through MS Teams as well, and then create a new section. So I have created testing page, and I have created that is the section, and then I've created a page on that. I call it my review, say SST. This is for testing. So once I do that, I've created the page. I have created it in the content library, and this is the section that I have created, and I've created a page over here. Next important step is to go to class notebook, and in the class notebook, you go to distribute section, and because you have to distribute this section to all copies of your class, only then can the link be created. So once you click on distribute section, you get this and you type out the same name as you have written in your section, testing page, and distribute. Once it gets distributed, you come to now assignments in MS Teams. Once you come to assignments and you click on create, you get a pop-up something like this. In that pop-up, you get assignment, quiz, and forms. So you click on assignments once again over here, and then what you get is this page. So here there are several things. You enter title, add category, enter instructions if you have any, and add resources is the main thing that we need to talk about, but I'll come to that a minute later. Before that, you have to do something. Choose whether this is your class, ensure all students are marked on that, or a select group, depends on your requirement, and then you come to edit. I'm sorry, yeah, here it is, edit. This is very important because this is where you are going to schedule your test. So when you open that, you get schedule, you choose a date and a time from the calendar and the clock available. You can also choose a due date accordingly from the calendar and the time, and press done. But in case you want to lock the page after a certain time, in case of an assessment, you can do the same thing by checking on close date. And when you do that, again, check on the calendar, choose a date and time, and press done. Once you have done that, you have scheduled an exam and have logged it also, and have described the due date as well. Okay, so this part is fine. Coming back to add resources, as I said, this is the main thing that we have to focus on. So now, click on add resources. When you do that, choose class notebook, because this is where you want the work to be submitted, and because you have created your section in content library, click on content library. Once you do that, it opens up a new page and it says where. So testing page is where you want that, and once you click on that, it is asking, have you created a page? So I did in advance. So this page, you select and then attach. So once you attach, what you see is this link has been created on my assignment page. So I see I've already given it a title, I have described a category, and then some instructions. Further, there are two links that can be provided on the assignment page. So this is the link that I have provided to my children, where they will submit their answer script. Now the question paper. So for that, I go back again to the same page and then add resources once more. So when I do that, this time I select upload from device, because now I'm going to upload a PDF file. So then I upload a PDF file and it comes over here. This was my original link. This is the second link, and you are done with the creation of assignment. Once you do that, you are done. Once you are done with all of that, I just wanted to show you how it will look to the teacher once the students have submitted their assignment, because the students have just to click on this link and they can upload their file. So how would the teacher see? It would appear to the teacher something like this. So the child has scanned and uploaded the file using this insert file, and he has inserted it. Teacher has all the tools over here to check, annotate, and give feedback.